Slavery and the economic and political differences between the North and the South were beginning to tear the country apart. The political compromises for determining if new states would be slave states or free states, the Missouri Compromise and the Compromise of 1850, were beginning to fall apart as well. The South was thrown into fear, an outrage after Nat Turner's slave uprising in 1831 and John Brown's raid on Harper's Ferry in 1859. In the North, meanwhile, abolitionists kicked up their rhetoric. In 1851, Harry Beecher Stowe wrote a novel called Uncle Tom's Cabin. It was a long, melodramatic story about a slave family, basically a soap opera about escaping slaves. The amazing power of the book, though, was that it personalized the issue of slavery. The book was hugely popular, and it helped hundreds of thousands of Americans realize that African slaves were people for the first time.
Slave owners, what y'all thinking? Listen to me, I am President Lincoln. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Do you really want a civil war to decimate our precious land? My mission is to maintain the Union through diplomatic fission and fusion. Who needs friends, Jefferson Davis? You have me as an enemy. Who do you have, Stonewall Jackson and Robert E. Lee? I've got U.S. Grant and Sherman's March to the Sea. When Booth shot me, it was a tragedy. But even after my assassination, there are reasons for celebration, like the union of our nation and the slaves' liberation.